Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a way to jazz up your purse, then you're going to want to get this gorgeous purse strap.
This crocheted flower purse strap from MIRIFRIGE is handmade and beautifully embroidered, and it will brighten up literally any bag. It is adjustable, so it fits from shoulder to crossbody super easily. And at 2 inches wide, it distributes the weight comfortably, which is perfect for your everyday purse or even if you're using it to carry a heavier bag. It's vibrant embroidery that is soft and durable. And I have gotten so many compliments on this purse strap. It really just feels amazing to wear every day. And if you are ready to upgrade your style and get tons of compliments, I am confident you are going to love this strap. I have really enjoyed having a purse strap that is an actual work of art, and I literally couldn't be more happy with it.
And that's my point of view.